Welcome to this tutorial on using Uniswap v3 Pool Manager. Uniswap v3 is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables the creation of liquidity pools for various cryptocurrency pairs. The Pool Manager is a crucial tool for liquidity providers to manage their assets and maximize their returns. To start using the Uniswap v3 Pool Manager, you need to have a basic understanding of decentralized finance and liquidity provision. First, you need to connect your wallet to the Uniswap v3 interface. This can be done by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting your preferred wallet provider. Once your wallet is connected, you can navigate to the Pool Manager section. Here, you can view all the liquidity pools you are currently participating in, as well as their respective balances and returns. You can also use this section to add or remove liquidity from existing pools. To create a new liquidity pool, click on the New Position button. This will prompt you to select the token pair you want to provide liquidity for, as well as the amount of liquidity you want to contribute. You can also set the price range for your liquidity, which determines the range of prices at which you are willing to buy or sell the tokens. It is essential to understand the concept of tick ranges and how they affect your liquidity provision. Tick ranges determine the granularity of price quotes in the pool, and they can significantly impact your returns. A smaller tick range can result in higher returns but also increases the risk of impermanent loss. Impermanent loss occurs when the price of the tokens in the pool moves significantly, resulting in a loss of value for the liquidity provider. To mitigate this risk, it is crucial to monitor the pool's performance regularly and adjust your liquidity provision accordingly. Best practices for using the Uniswap v3 Pool Manager include diversifying your liquidity provision across multiple pools, monitoring pool performance regularly, and adjusting your tick ranges and liquidity amounts accordingly. It is also essential to keep your wallet and private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access to your assets. In conclusion, the Uniswap v3 Pool Manager is a powerful tool for liquidity providers to manage their assets and maximize their returns. By understanding the key concepts, such as tick ranges and impermanent loss, and following best practices, you can effectively use the Pool Manager to achieve your investment goals. Remember to always prioritize security and monitor your pool's performance regularly to ensure optimal results.